Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on the ZenGo app. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the ZenGo app on your phone. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open the ZenGo app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen. You can go through the text if you want to and slide on the screen. If you don't want to go through all this text, then simply tap on the skip option at the top right corner of the page. After that, you'll be directed to this page. If you have a referral code, then you can tap on where it says tap here to enter your code. Else, you'll simply have to enter your email address on this box. So type your email address here. And after you're done, tap on continue. Now you'll have to verify your email address. So here tap on open my email. You'll see this kind of mail from the ZenGo app. On this page, press on tap to confirm or where it says click here to confirm. Now you'll have to enable a device lock to secure your account. So tap on enable device lock at the bottom of the screen. So the screen couldn't be recorded on this part due to some privacy reasons, but I'll guide you. All you have to do on this part is enter a code for your account security. After that, you'll be directed to this page and here you can choose any option. Buy crypto, receive crypto or explore the app. For now, I'll just tap on explore the app. And as you can see, we've been logged into our account successfully. Now you can start using the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.